Okay, guys, you've been wanting to know how to do a speech to text for free to write your book, to take notes. Also, you can start it in your class. So there's just different ways you can do this. So all you have to do is have your Google Chrome open. So you're going to go to Google Chrome and you're going to open up in Google Chrome your docs. So we're going to go here to Google Chrome, open up your docs, and then you're going to add a blank doc. Once you do that, you see, you're going to go ahead to Tools and go to Voice Typing. Now, you can have someone in the background speaking, so you can click to speak, and then allow. And then thank you so much for tuning in to this particular instructional video. And thank you so much for signing up to Dream Chasers Radio on YouTube. I hope this has been a help. And when you're in class and you don't feel like taking notes, all you have to do is have your computer hooked up to your Google Chrome, open up that tab that we just opened up for your docs, click the speech to text button under the tools, and you got it going. You'll see your notes being taken just like you're seeing it right now. You can even say period, and it will put a period there. So there you have it. And thank you so much. I'm hoping that this is simple and easy enough for you to do. Thanks, guys. Bye.